Hi, I'm Subramani from Civil Contractors in Bangalore. Now, the information is for NRIs who is looking for to construct in India. They want loan arrangement from the paper, plan approval, BESCOM, borewell, anything, constructions. We are taking care of the specialty case for those people, especially NRIs now. So if they're not able to come to India, they want to operate from there completely with all the paperwork, plan approvals, behalf of them, any GPA works, okay, loan arrangements and the planning, constructions, architects, structural, interiors, all arrangements my company can take it. We have other department, whereas we especially want to give a service to NRI clients. If whoever interested, please contact me on 9739 66778 for more details, so that we have discussions about your constructions in India, wherever, in Chennai, Hyderabad or Bangalore or anywhere in India, so that we will organize all our inbuilt in company. We are a group of Citadel Constructions. We can do it. Please feel free to call us. Thank you.